Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. In this video I'm going to do a recap on the dollar index DXY. Lately obviously we've had a lot of volatility in the forex market, particularly in relation to the US dollar. So naturally I've sort of started to increase the frequency of my analysis on the US dollar just to help my followers keep up and stay on top of the market and remain profitable in the trading that they're doing. So on my last analysis I was talking about how the US dollar might just push up a little bit more and then start showing a descent, falling below my trend line that I had, which has happened. Okay, great. It's been quite a substantial move actually. On the dollar index we've moved down from around 105 down to around 103-ish already. But I'm a little bit concerned actually. I'm actually a little bit concerned that, hold on a minute, this might just be, let's call it a false move or something. There could be a little bit more dollar strengthening going on. So, I would imagine some of my followers have probably done long buy positions on other cross currencies like GBP USD or Euro USD. So I just wanted to throw out this analysis just to let you know that there's potentially we might see those the euro and the GBP start falling, contrary to the strong push up that you've seen recently. So if I just jump over to my GBP chart, I mean, it was fantastic. We hit rock bottom right here, which is brilliant, and then it's just been shooting up. I mean, recent days you've seen moves like 1.3% a day on GBP USD. Even today, as I'm making this video, there's already a strong push up if I go over to the euro as well, and again, very nice strong push ups in recent days. So this all looks awesome, and you'd think that okay, that's it, we've hit rock bottom and now we're turning around and the dollar's going to get hammered for X, Y and Z reasons over the foreseeable weeks and months, but we might just be in for a surprise. So what I would say, guys, is I think there's scope for the dollar to push right back up to around the 105 level. It might be a retest or it might breach that, in which case my trend line would probably have to be adjusted to maybe somewhere down here, but again, too early to tell. I think for now at least there is a very high chance of the dollar index pushing back up to around 105 or nearabouts. There on, we'll have to have another look at it to see if we're going to breach that, or is that just going to be a retest of that level. By the same token, GBP USD and so on, I'd imagine they're coming back down to the lows here, if not lower. As a result of following the dollar index, I'm usually able to find quite a lot of opportunities on other cross currencies like GBP USD, Euro USD. So if you're interested in using my analysis to help you out with the forex trading, then please do join my VIP group on my website, where you'll get all my short-term trades, which hopefully should help you out with your strategy. By analyzing the dollar index DXY, I usually find quite a lot of opportunities on other cross currencies like GBP USD or Euro USD, and there's multiple trades on the way. So there was actually a trade opportunity here, there was a trade opportunity here while it was dropping quite a bit. As you can see, for example, from here to here it's about 100 pips. Then there was another opportunity to head back up, there was over 100 pips there. So yeah, if you do a lot of forex trading and you'd like to use my analysis to help you out with your forex trading, hopefully you've seen that a lot of my analysis tends to be fairly accurate. I do make mistakes here and there, but if you want all my analysis, these short-term trades and so on, then please do join my VIP group on my website, financialmarkets.club, and yeah, you'll get every piece of analysis that I do. and which hopefully should help you with your trading strategy. If you made some nice gains recently, buying other cross currencies, in effect shorting the dollar, then please do share your results. It'd be really nice to know how people are doing using my analysis. At the end of the day, I'm putting this analysis out to help everyone, and so it's rewarding to know if it's helping anyone. So yeah, please do share in your comments, and if you have something else that you want me to look at, then please do mention that in the comments as well. I'll do my best to make up some time to have a look at anything that you're suggesting. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.